Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports, and today we have our 2014 Yamaha FZ-09 triple cylinders super sport, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This thing is a badass machine, beautiful condition with the red paint. It's got the little fly screen bar end mirrors. Only 21,000 miles on this awesome FZ-09. Come on by and make your street fighter dreams come true with this powerhouse Yamaha. It's got frame sliders. Price to sell just $64.99. We have finance. We have extended warranties available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.